The truth about sneezing: should you hold it in? Sneezing is a natural bodily function, but what happens if you hold it in? When you feel the urge to sneeze, it's your body's way of clearing irritants from your nose. Holding it in can lead to pressure buildup, potentially causing headaches or even damaging your eardrums. Letting it out is generally the best option, but remember to do so politely. Always cover your mouth and nose to prevent the spread of germs. So, the next time you need to sneeze, think twice before holding it in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.